Hey, this is Corey Rogers, VP of Marketing for National Equipment Dealers. I'm standing next to Ryan Williams, also known AKA Mr. DiGG.
Mr. DiGG.
On YouTube. If you're not following him, you definitely want to do that, and please follow and subscribe to our channel as well. We are in Molde, Norway. Molde, Norway is famous for one thing, in our opinion.
I agree.
And those are the new Hyundai trucks.
Yep.
They've been here manufacturing trucks for over 50 years.
50 years,
It's
yeah, a
amazing.
lot of history here.
Yeah, it's incredible.
It really is.
And they've changed hands and ownership over the years. Hyundai bought DeVelon, used to be Doosan, which owned the truck that's behind us.
Yeah.
In this factory.
This is number 2, they said.
This is number 2 off the line.
Yeah.
And so it took us a little while to get here. We had planes, trains, and automobiles trying to get over here.
Yeah.
And had a few cancellations and some reroutings, and we're, needless to say, very tired.
But we made it.
We made it.
And that's the important part.
We made it. And but what's really cool is we just got to spend some time with the engineers. We're getting ready to tour the factory.
Yeah, I'm excited.
And we're going to kind of get a full understanding of how these things are put together. But just the preliminary, I think what was most impressive to me was just how they go about building these, and then the progression of history of the company and where it was and how it got to where it is today.
Yeah, it was super interesting to learn about the history. And not only that, what I hope to take away from the factory tour too is to see what changes are being made and what's coming in the future. And it's very exciting.
Yeah. So stay tuned. We're going to take you through the factory. We'll show you some of the new technologies, some of the new automation that they're using to do welding on the bed, for example. And we'll talk to you a little bit about how what was Moxie at one time became Doosan, and then DeVelon, and then DeVelon got bought by Hyundai, and then now it's all run by Hyundai. So we're very excited to be here, and
absolutely
going to get a little chance to tour Norway as well during our trip. We've got some other customers with us in addition to Ryan, and
it's absolutely beautiful here. The weather is just phenomenal.
Yeah,
and I'm excited to go see some haul trucks being built.
We even had some, probably it's not going to get real good reviews. We even had some whale last night.
We did eat some whale. Yeah, we did eat some whale.
We might cut that out of the video.
Yeah.
But, all right.
So it's a 3-piece bearing and shield. So present side by outer inner rig, and the cover rig. Inner rig will be bolted to the airframe. The outer rig is bolted to the front frame. That kind of moves freely.
So we just got finished walking through the factory in its entirety.
Dude, that is so impressive. To watch them go from a frame to rolling off the line right here, just a few hundred feet, is just it's crazy.
Yeah. I mean, you know, some of the things that I picked up walking through there that I really like. One, the entire product is pre-painted, so they have a very high quality paint process. You know, there's a lot of quality control in place.
Oh, a ton. Yeah, the thing that impressed me most about it is just the efficiency about everything runs. There's timers on the rolls. Everybody's just working hand in hand to get these products to the stage you see them at.
So it's kind of a mixture of stall built and they have a moving line.
Yeah.
It's electrically moving at all times. But the coolest thing I saw in there is the way they finish weld their bed, the dump bed.
Yes,
They have this super advanced robot with a
huge.
Yeah, it's got basically a mechanism to turn the entire weld around.
The whole bed is in the air. Dual feed welder just going to town on that.
Yeah, it's amazing. I wish we could have got a little closer up to it, but
Yeah,
it's pretty cool.
it's incredible.
So now we're going to get on some trucks and drive on their course. They've got an off-road course that goes up and down these hills. You're going to see just some amazing landscapes and mountains. Just such a beautiful part of this country.
And we got to be very careful with the truck because I think
That's the NED truck.
it's going to America today.
Yeah, he said it's actually going to get on a ship or get on a truck and head towards the port today.
I'll do my best not to scratch it.
Yeah, please don't. So I'm sitting here with Mads Eriksson. Mads, what's your title with the company?
That's ADT specialist.
He's the ADT specialist here at the factory in Molde, Norway. And we just had an incredible tour of the factory. Everybody's got an opportunity to get on the test track, drive the trucks around. We're sitting in an HA45, which is actually owned by NED. We'll be taking delivery of it in, I guess, a month or so. Yeah, it's going to be getting on the water here soon. And so I'm going to get my chance to go on the test track and see what this is all about. I've driven these before, but it's really a special to be able to drive it as it comes straight off the factory floor. So some of the cool things you can see here, this is the control panel. What I love about the truck is that it's just very simple. You got simple controls, simple buttons. There's not overkill on technology, and it's very reliable. You got your park brake here, you got your remote control, mirror control. This would be your bed lift, and then on top of that is a button to increase your RPM. Then of course you've got your shift lever, and then all your light switches. You've got the suspension adjustment. It has a hydromatic auto adjusting suspension in the front, so you have the ability to squat the machine for transport, or you can just turn it on, and it will automatically adjust accordingly. It's got an interaxle diff lock, which is very nice to help give you maximum tractive effort when you're on slicker surfaces. A lot of great features. Has a couple of different features in terms of the weighing system. Very, very accurate. It weighs as you dump off the bed cylinders using pressure sensors. And then it also has an overload system, which ties it to a light bar that's visible to the excavator operator or wheel loader operator that's loading your truck. And that overload system is using information from strain gauges, and that information is communicated so that they know if they're underweight, at weight, or overweight, and they can load the truck accordingly. So with that said, we're going to take a drive and have a little fun on their test track. Cool.
Cool. And if you press that suspension button now just for a second, yeah, you're still in gear. That's why it's beeping at you.
Gotcha.
And press the suspension button just quickly. Drops the truck down.
Nice.
Squats it down.
And if I hold this and that and this, I can squat it from one side to another, right?
Yeah, then you can adjust manually.
Yeah. Very cool. And so that would be a transport position we're in now.
No, not at the moment. Now it's not all the way down. It's kind of.
So how would I put it in transport?
Then you hold the button until it kind of like so. Now you see it's in transport.
So now it's a transport.
Yeah.
So then if I want to then go back to auto level, I just hit the button.
Yeah, just hold it for a couple of seconds.
Keep holding it?
Yeah.
Oh no, it does.
Now it's adjusted back up.
As soon as the light's off, it'll do it, right?
Yeah.
Awesome.
So the thing with that auto lowering function, it drops it almost all the way down,
Yeah.
but not all the way,
Yeah.
just to make sure it's quicker to get back up again.
Awesome.
Because if we put the machine into gear and start driving, we'll go back to driving height.
So Mads, let me ask you this. If you had to name 3 things about the Hyundai truck that you think, having worked here 19 years, make it a better truck than some of the competitors, what would you say those 3 things are?
I would say stability, due to the design we have.
And what attributes the stability? What
That's the tandem we have, it's the body design, and it's the weight distribution on the front axle.
Okay.
Those things, which makes it has great traction and great stability, which also makes it a safer truck.
What would be number 2?
I would say serviceability. So I'm a service guy, so
Yeah.
it's very easy to work on from a technician's perspective. For engine, all-around access on the engine, and a safe platform on the sides. We can tilt the cab back, full access to all your hydraulics, to the transmission.
Nice.
And the way the system works, it's really easy to work on. I think we have a really good diagnostic software, which is made in-house, which makes troubleshooting really easy.
And what would the 3rd be if you had to name one?
Cab.
The cab. Comfortable cab.
Comfortable cab, spacious, very good around view of the cab.
Yeah, no, I love the visibility. It is great. Well, Mance, thank you so much, man. You guys did a wonderful job giving our group a tour and telling us everything there is to learn and know about the Hyundai trucks, which is a great truck, guys. Please like and subscribe our channel. And if you're interested in knowing more about the Hyundai trucks, they make a HA30, which is a 30-ton truck, and a HA45, which is a 45-ton truck. You can visit our website at www.ned.us. Thanks.